Happy Thanksgiving! Jason, i-lead mo yung prayer mamaya. Patros. Ayan, paterno niya ang mashed potato and asparagus. Okay ba yung ginawa ko, Jason? Steak. Carbonara, baked sushi, ham, fried chicken from Jollibee, spicy and regular, macaroni salad. Ayan ang aming sweets, may leche flan, may mga, ayan na. Ayan na, hindi ko na siya isa-isahin. Yan ang aming charcuterie. Yan ang aming festive cake. And the all-time favorite melon. This is the kani salad. Kani salad. I hope you're enjoying your Thanksgiving.
Sabi ko, may mga nagpapalo siya nag-review, pero may mga nagpabash.
May basher.